Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets ended the day. Major averages finished mostly higher, with the Nasdaq leading the way, up 0.25%. The S&P 500 followed close behind, up 0.2%. The Dow was flat, and the Russell lost 0.2%. Turning to the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower, with energy, financials, and utilities the biggest losers. Meanwhile, consumer discretionary led the way up, closing up almost 2%. Taking a look at some of the biggest stories of the day, Rivian shares surged on news that Volkswagen plans to invest up to $5 billion into the EV startup. The initial investment will be $1 billion. The additional $4 billion is expected by 2026, following the establishment of a joint venture. Rivian said the investment will help it become cash flow positive and will help ramp up production of the smaller, cheaper R2 SUVs. Rivian closed up over 23%. Fast casual chain Chipotle closed modestly higher following its 50-for-1 stock split. The stock reached record highs just shy of $2,800 a share on Tuesday and closed just below $66 following the split. Quarterly profits and sales have continued to grow despite Chipotle raising prices. And Micron is falling in after-hours trading despite reporting better than expected earnings and revenue for the fiscal third quarter. For the fiscal fourth quarter, the semiconductor company called for EPS in the range of $1 to $1.16 and revenue of $7.4 to $7.8 billion. Let's take a look at what to watch for on Thursday. In terms of economic data, durable goods, GDP, and jobless claims are all slated to be released in the morning. On the earnings front, Walgreens and McCormick will report pre-market, followed by Nike after the closing bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.